Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems here in Lecanto, Florida. It's May of 2026 and this unit is fully done. It's a compact 45 and it's just fully equipped with a access point heat exchanger, 3,500 pounds pressure rated, so you can get up to over 2,000 pounds of working pressure, unlike any other truck mount in the industry. Most important thing is you've got an open concept, which means easy breathe, easy maintenance, and longevity to your very expensive components like the engine and the blower. And there's our heater, and of course we're worldwide recognized. We've been very busy, as you can see. We got a whole bunch of them over here. One's actually going to Australia for a ProChem aftermarket. So, you know, we've been just really busy putting out the best units in the industry. And as you can see, the Kohler engine here, it's a 27 horse CH752 3100, and we have the silencer up the bottom so you can get really quiet operation through noise sensitive areas. We have a 4MR or 4MS blower, which is capable of over 410 CFM, which actually can do about 450 feet of vacuum length. And so I think you'd be very impressed if you came down here to Lecanto in our factory shop to see what we do. We take a lot of pride in everything. Look at that eagle there, and it just signifies American-built machinery here in Lecanto. I've been doing this for 19 years, approaching 47 years in the industry. When I first started in the early 80s, and I had large portable units. I had a ProChem 100A, and I had a lot of experience starting with the truck mounts. Got into a lot of the research and development so that I could come out with the best unit for the industry for the price that you can afford. And a beautiful quarter plate right here, quarter plate frame. Everything is just nicely put together, as you can see. Closed off panel. So the important part is we don't do an open pan type of panel. Look at this, it's beautiful, all powder coated. So we build it with infrastructure, tubular carbon steel infrastructure. As you can see, this quarter plate will maintain its rigidity and be able to last a very long time, absorbing a lot of vibration. And as you can see, we have a 316L stainless TIG welded header that we devised and put together with our own skill set to come up with a beautiful header. And as you can see, you got your belt guard, you've got that AR pump there with last step injection, you've got your bypass right here, which enables you to be able to get good circulation, which is vital for temperature regulation and safety. So everything is just here, beautiful. Water box, all stainless, flex hose going down. Again, 3,500 pounds pressure rated, patented heat exchanger, been out for a number of years now, very well known worldwide. And so instrumentation wise, you've got your temperature gauge, your pressure, and your vacuum gauge in HGs. You've got a tachometer for your hours of operation and engine speed. And you've got a connection, a rotary switch here that controls the 12 volts that goes to that handy receptacle. If you need more than one added, we can work that into the price as well for both a demand pump or a pump out. And we come up with some really good pump outs too. So 12 gallon per minute, which far exceeds the Bison Valley Industries PT33. It gets a really good flow for that water, flood water extraction that you might want to do. So anyways, temperature is great, vacuum is great. We just taken a lot of pride in what we do. As you can see, we got instructions here that, the shutdown, the startup and shutdown. Got a water inlet. We got a venturi opening to your WD-40 going to the lobes of your blower. Your attachment that goes to your high pressured line that goes to whatever tool that you decide to use for cleaning. Red lamp indicator indicates 12 volts is going to the solenoid, which is attached to your waste tank for water displacement and lowering of the temperature. Gallon per hour feed right here for your last step injection. It's just a beautiful setup. Everything is just nicely put together, open concept, easy breathe, easy to change out belts. You got pullbacks here so that you would enable you to be able to get proper tension. The same way with the water pump inside. There's also a connection, a drain, as well as an engine drain here, and the engine drain here for your engine as well as your pump, for your water pressure pump. And so everything is really well engineered, well designed, clean look, easy template. I mean, it's about 41 inches long in length and about 20 inches, a little over 20 inches wide, and it stands 38 inches high. So you can get it into any trailer or box truck or regular van that you may have. You'll find it very, very nicely put together as far as the template and the way that it's laid out in your truck. Everything, again, is easy to get to. If you needed to do maintenance on your engine, well, look, you can get right into the shroud. It's very easy to assess parts. If you had to change out a starter or whatever it is that you need to do, it's very easy to get to these major components. So call us today at 727-505-2989. Look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7. And we have the Compact 45, we got the Compact 36, and all the SE series. Oh, and by the way, last but not least, we have a water tank that can come with this as well, a subwell, which was on previous videos. Again, 727-505-2989, and it's truckmountstore.com 24/7. Look us up. Thank you.